All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the POP expansion pack for the ADSR Drum Machine. There is 10 kits, 250 samples, a bunch of drum patterns included as well. If you're not familiar with the ADSR Drum Machine, you can check it out at ADSR Sounds. They give a free plugin away every month as well when you make a purchase. So whether you buy the expansion pack, the drum machine, or whatever, you have a free plugin. As you can see here, it's different every month. So you might be seeing this at a different time, might be a different plugin. And if you don't have the drum machine currently, it is on sale now for $49. You can check it out. There's a 30-day free trial. There'll be links down in the video description below. This is available for Mac, Windows, and standalone audio unit and VST3. I made another video on this previously, but you can just check out the link or my other videos, whatever you want to do. Very easy to use drum machine here. Very simple, a lot of patterns, a lot of sounds, and lots of other expansion packs as well. So let's check it out here. This is one of the kits. This is the Indie Pop Kit 1. They have a bunch of patterns that come with it. As like I said, there's 16 patterns down here that you can switch between. Let's check out the sounds. So that's just one of the kits. That's the Indie Pop Kit there. We have the Bedroom Pop Kit. Indie Pop Kit or Bedroom Pop Kit 2. And of course, we can play our own sounds. We could create our own patterns here as well. We can change the pitch of certain notes if we want to, like these here. And stuff like that. Let's check out some of the other kits. This is the Dance Pop Kit here. Let's check out the Dream Pop Kit here. K-Pop Kit. We have an R&B Pop Kit 1. R&B Pop Kit 2. And let's not forget about the drum and bass kit. So that's some demos of the kit here. Like I said, they have many other expansion packs that you can find. They have the factory presets when you get the drum set or the drum machine. If you don't already have it, there's all kind of different kits in there already. But you can check those out as well if you don't have the ADSR Drum Machine. Let me know what you think. Check out some of my other videos floating around the screen here if you're watching on YouTube, other platforms. Check in the description, links below, all that kind of stuff. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.